We are testing Honda Civic 2007 mileage. It's fully automatic CVT model. So you can see the trip here, 84,488. Our fuel is around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 points. Just I have connected the OBD at the bottom. You can see. You can see it's flashing up. That means it's ready to give the information. Okay, let us start. So I'm using an application called Car Scanner. Kilometers with AC off, 14.9 low RPM. The distance that we have traveled is around 13.2 kilometers. It's going here 15.1. It also 16 तक जाने चाहिए. With AC on, it's around 12.5. So guys, we have completed the trip, approx 14.6 kilometers now. So the average speed maintained was 38 kilometers per hour. The overall mileage got around 15.3 and it's consumed around 1 liter of fuel. So I'll be providing you the link of the particular OBD which we are using right now for you order this. That's it for today. Love you all. This is Amir signing off. Catch you in my next video.